Ka jingyalang ka kanhun menteri ka Sorkar MDA2 kalam Mynjur yak Ordinance banbu renti ki Kendon University Grant Commission ki ban penteri kam haka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act ka Sorkar jala kala Pynïasoh ka jingteri kam ka Williamson Sangma State Technical University pat ban penkelaru ya ka kum ka State University ya ka amendment ladap ban penbej ban penteri kam kat kum ki Kendon ka UGC bat kum ta la pensyai haka dur ka Ordinance banbu haki Kendon UGC Laong menteri rangba ukonrat ke Sangma hadin ke jelang ka kenhun menteri haka no phai singi ka khandai tarik no pra arja arpulai.
The ordinance that we brought in for the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Amendment Bill. As you are aware that we have expanded the scope of the Captain Williamson Sangma State Technical University and made it into a full-fledged state university now. But while we did the amendments to that, there were certain other concerns that were raised, and after discussion with the Honorable Governor and others and the Education Department, the amendment was being done to incorporate certain UGC norms that are there, and hence that amendment was cleared in terms of an ordinance today to put in the UGC norms which will be applicable in the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act. So we have included those particular norms. There are many of them in detail which I don't think I'll be able to go through, but just to give you a basic idea, for example, the Board of Governors, the structure of the Board of Governors as prescribed by the UGC, so that amendment will have to be incorporated. Then Board of Management as per prescribed by the UGC norms, that will be incorporated in this. Then other small changes that are there which are required as per the UGC rules and regulations. Those small changes, other changes will also be incorporated, but the major one is the Board of Governors and the Board of Management. So the process has started, and as I said, our intention is to start from the next academic year, and that's why we've been pushing this very fast, because we want the CUET issue to be resolved also. And therefore, the first, of course, will be the main campus in itself, which is in next to Damalgiri, just below Tura, on the way to Kyrwoh. And so that is the main campus, of course, and we want to ensure that the manpower and everything is there in place in time, so that we're able to start in the next academic year, at least in terms of starting the administrative work that is there. Apart from that, we have also unofficially discussed the expansion of the campus to different parts of the state, and definitely that is on our agenda. But those details are not there with me right now, but we will be taking up the expansion and extension of the campuses in different parts of the state. But the process that time to appoint them was not followed, and hence we have to rectify that particular aspect. Otherwise, anybody could go to court and say that how come we regularize them straight away. So hence regularizing them straight away is not an option for us, because the selection process has to be there, it has to be conducted, exams have to be held, interviews have to be held. It should have been done in 2015. I'm not here to blame anybody, but because the process was delayed and the recruitment process did not take place that time, and hence many people actually became over age. So hence it was a very, very complicated issue that was there in front of us. But yes, you're right from that aspect, but then the procedures have to be followed. And hence we try to make it as easy and inclusive as possible, but it would not be possible for us to directly regularize the existing employees, because the selection process was not done in that manner.